stylists, and welcome back to another video. So this video is actually the second part of my Kali Uchis style inspired series. So if you missed the first part, which was this makeup tutorial, I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description bar, so check that out. You can watch this hair tutorial first, you can watch the makeup tutorial first. It's up to you, but watch it together so you can get this whole look inspired by Kali Uchis. So today we're going to be focusing on hair. Now, Kali Uchis' hair is sometimes pink, sometimes blue, sometimes with the big 60s poof on top, or nice mermaid loose waves. So I was inspired by all of that, minus the hair color. Unfortunately, I don't have any wigs available. I definitely would have done something if I had a hot pink wig. I feel pretty freaking beautiful with the hot pink wig. So I've decided to curl my hair in soft, loose waves and then tease the top and bring it all up like this. And honestly, I am loving the way it looks. Now, the curling iron I use to achieve this look is the Conair Infinity Pro Curl Secret 2.0, and I use the 1 1/4 inch chamber. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next segment in my Kali Uchis inspired style series. Let's get started. First, I'm going to talk through a little bit about the device and how to use it. Once you do one curl, you're going to get the gist of it, and the rest is going to be super easy. So I'm going to be using the Infinity Pro Curl Secret 2.0 from Conair. I received this item complimentary from Influencer because they partnered up with Conair and they were sending a few of these out to influencers and bloggers to test it out and review. So I already tested it out. I actually did my New Year's Eve hairstyle with this product and it was pretty good. So I'm not going to use the 1 inch, I'm going to use the 1 1/4 inch. This device at first was, I'll admit, it was pretty scary. Even now I'm kind of scared. I used it when my sister was here and she's more of a hair girl. Like, I trust her with my curls and not burning my hair on fire. So without her, I'm actually kind of scared. But basically, this side towards head, oh, and careful, this is pretty warm. You're gonna grab a small piece of hair, and then if you can see, you're gonna put the hair right here in between these two. Oh, I'm kind of scared to do this without my sister, but let's do it. I'm just gonna be looking at my mirror because I want to make sure that I'm not doing anything wrong or burning myself. Okay. Okay. And this is how it went. So these are the settings right here, and what these symbols mean, at first I was like, what the heck, there's so many like adjustments, but this is actually great. So basically this is your basic on and off switch. Off, low, high. I choose high because I want my curls to stay. I have pretty thin hair, so I need, I don't want it to be burning hot, but I do need a high heat just to keep the curl in my hair. Now these numbers actually mean seconds, so this is 12 to 14 seconds, 10 to 12, and 8 to 10. So I'm going to do 12 to 14. Need that curl in there. Now, these RLA, this actually is which side your curl is going to go to. So I have it right now on the A, and that's why you saw my curl was, instead of going kind of like curling back, it was curling forward to my face. Now, I actually don't want that. Now I'm gonna put it on, let's see, L right now, because I'm gonna be doing the left side of my hair. So yeah, the R is for the right side, the L is for the left side, so that you know what side the curl is going towards, the front of your face or the back of your head. So yeah, let's try this. So this one is the automatic curl. It curled it towards my face, which I don't really like, but let's see. And this is the Okay, this is what happens when I don't have my sister. It looks like L. It's not the one, I guess. I'm gonna do R. Honestly, guys, I'm still kind of confused by this device. I like it. I love it when my sister was doing it on me, but doing it alone, it's kind of scary, to be honest. Okay. Well, this hair looks really damaged. Yeah, from being knotted up in this device. So let's try another piece of hair. Close the device. Okay, it beeped. I'm gonna let it go. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna put it back to L. You have to wait till you hear it beep and let go. Okay. You know what? I think I finally got the hang of it. Okay, so the settings I'm gonna use for this side of my head are the L, 12 to 14, and high setting. I'm gonna do the same thing basically on this side, but with the R. I think I'm finally getting it. Okay, so yeah, L, left side. I don't know why it kind of bugged out the first time I did it with the L. Okay, let's do this. Okay guys, so first things first is we're gonna section out our hair into 3 different parts. Make sure to brush out any knots that are in your hair, because if your knots get stuck in that machine, it will hurt. So now we're gonna begin curling our hair using the machine. So yeah, this is pretty self-explanatory. I explained to you guys already how to use the machine and what settings I'm gonna be using it on. So I'm just gonna fast forward through this part for you guys. So now we're moving on to the next section of hair. So you see me now taking out the second part that I'm going to start curling, and what I do is put my already curled hair in the back and my not curled hair in the front, so I know what to focus on and I'm not going to be recurling my curls. So here I'm going to be working on the last section, which is right on the top of my head. All the curls from the past 2 sections I worked on, I'm just going to wrap them up in like a swirly bun and clip it on my head. So I'm not curling my hair to go towards a specific part on my head. Like, my hair isn't going to have a part at all. You're going to see that I'm actually going to be teasing the top of my hair to create a nice smooth bump on top. Fucking shit. Okay, so what you just witnessed was my hair getting so tangled up in there, and I don't know how, because I brushed out my hair before curling it. Everything was going fine. All of a sudden, I was freaking out because my hair got stuck and it just wasn't letting go. Normally, this machine is supposed to just let go of your hair. It even says it that, like, if it does get stuck, you just need to open up the machine and the hair will easily come out. So I was freaked out. So guys, be careful. I don't want this to happen to anybody else, because I was scared my head was going to go on fire. Like, if my hair wasn't going to come out of that machine. So this is what my hair looks like after curling it. No more incidents happened after that previous incident, thank God. But now what I'm going to be doing is teasing the hair that's surrounding my face. So on top, above my ears, teasing that up. We want to look 60s glam, y'all. So now we're going to be brushing that teased hair back into a half pony. And so we're going to have a bit of height, not Snooki and Jersey Shore kind of height, but more of an acceptable 60s cute glam kind of height. Okay guys, and this is a finished look. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to push that bell notification button down below so you know every time that I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.
me llena entera de satisfacción. A mí me gusta cuando bajo